Hello and welcome to our first video for AP Chemistry. The topic is going to be short, but it's very important. It's about finding enthalpy from bond energies. And in order to do that, we do have a very simple equation, and that is we have our bonds broken minus our bonds formed. Okay, and when we do that, we can calculate our delta H for the reaction. Okay, now you read about this last week, but the bonds broken are going to be endothermic, meaning that the sign is going to be a positive delta H, and that when we form bonds, it's an exothermic process. It's going to give off heat, and it will be a negative delta H. Okay, now what's really important in this though, hang on, let me slide these guys up. What's going to be really important is that we know the structure. Okay, so we need to know the structure of the molecules. Okay, and since we haven't learned that yet, I'm actually okay if you Google it. Okay, another place, sometimes your book may have some of the answers as well, but I'm alright if you Google it for now because it's very important, and here's why. If we have a single bond, or a double bond, or even a triple bond, it's going to require different amounts of energy to break them. So even though we're dealing, we could say a carbon and a carbon single bond, carbon and carbon double bond, or carbon-carbon triple bond, they're going to require different energies to break them. So it's going to be very, very important that you know this. And you can do this simply by adding up all of the bonds that you break and subtract all the bonds that you formed.